What's going on, everybody? This is Raphael with your daily marketing prosperity tip of the day. It's Friday, but I love to call it Freedom Friday. Just saying that word alone just gets me excited, gets me pumped up. As you can tell, yesterday we were talking about creating your vision. It was part one. I was kind of diving into like what is a vision, how do you start cultivating a vision, how you can start creating your vision for your business so you can create more results for 2014. In today's video, we're going to elaborate a little bit more, dive a little bit deeper. This is part two about creating your vision for your business. And before I get started, I want to share a quick little story. I just came back from the gym. A lot of people know I love to work out. I'm big on my health because my health is my greatest wealth. Remember that, you guys. Without your health, I'm telling you, you're not going to be able to do anything in life. But before I go off on a rant on that, I'm in the gym, right, and I'm sitting down on one of the machines, and I'm listening to my positive audios, and I look over to the left, and I see this guy, right? He's wearing this very neon orange tank top. And, you look at a person with a tank top and you would think they'd be all buff and big, big looking kind of dude in the gym, right? But he was skinny and he was scrawny. But when he turned around on his shirt, it said beefcake, right? And at first I kind of chuckled and laughed, right? But then I started thinking about it. I said, you know what? Some people may look at this guy and they may ridicule him, they may make fun of him because he's wearing a tight tank top that says beefcake and he's not even buff, he doesn't have any muscles. But you know what? It made me stop and think, he is envisioning something for himself. See, he envisions himself as a beefcake. Whether that means him, becoming a big person with muscles, being more cut, more fit, whatever it is, he's in the gym and he's wearing it. He's embodied it. He has stepped into that character. His vision for himself is to be, a beefcake. Whatever that definition is for him, I don't know. But it made me stop and think, that's exactly how we have to be with our business, you guys. You got to have a vision. Look, one of my mentors that I follow, he just recently broke the record for creating the most amount of residual income in a month by an online marketer. I'm telling you, he just broke the record in a month, over 6 figures. And if you watch this guy, if you study him, if you listen to him, if you're in his funnel system, he never talks about his product. He never talks about his product. Like the services he has to provide. Guess what he talks about? His vision. He's constantly talking about his vision that he has, not only for himself, his family, his business, for others and his team. That's what makes him so powerful. That's why he's been able to grow and make so much, to be so financially well off, because he's speaking his vision to his audience. And in this part, you guys, you got to remember, when it comes to your business, what's going to sustain you, what's going to get you from point A to point B is consistently speaking your vision. And like, I love to share tips and strategies when it comes to actual video marketing, like getting yourself on the camera and doing videos. I'm telling you, because this is the quickest way and the fastest way to grow your business, to grow your team, to grow your finances. So if you haven't started making videos, I just want to throw that out there. Start getting behind the camera. It doesn't matter. Just press record and just let it go. Just be yourself, you guys. But, you need to speak your vision. I love to speak my vision. Look, back in December, I was able to walk away from corporate America, from my 9 to 5. I was in a position where I was frustrated, right? I had 2 kids that I was watching grow up, and I was never there to watch them grow up in life because I was at work. I was more married to my job than I was to my family. I was there Monday through Sunday working crazy hours. And I would come home, and the time that I did have with my family and my kids, I wasn't even mentally there because I was thinking about Bill, stressed out, this and that, and I had a breaking point, right? And it's like, I had to make a decision. I had to make a decision. I'm like, this is it. I got to figure this out. So, I was offered this system that now I work, and now I've been able to walk away, and create the financial abundance that I want for my life. And I work from home, and now I'm raising my kids, and, I'm in the game, you know what I mean? And it's because of my vision. That's what I envisioned for myself. Being a full-time dad. Being a stay-at-home dad, figuring out a way how I can be at home with my kids and create the finances as well to live that lifestyle. You see? And I envision that for all parents, and I envision that for anybody, anybody who's working. There is an alternative. There's another way. I want people to be free. That is my vision. I want people to be free and actually can say, you know what? I am free. I am free. I can go on vacation when I want to go on vacation. I have the money to do what I want to do. I'm there to share, my lifestyle with my family and my friends and my loved ones and the people that I care about around me. That is my vision. I want that for everybody. And you see, that's why I've been able to create success in a short amount of time, because, you got to speak your vision, and people are going to buy into your idea. They're going to buy into your vision. They're not going to buy into your products. They're going to buy into you. You are the product. You're the product. So remember that. You know, and part one yesterday, we are talking about how to start cultivating a vision. And this this video here, you got to start speaking it. You know, some ways to start is through video, like what I do. I'm speaking my vision to you. I'm giving you examples of other people who speak their vision that's had massive success. You know, speak it through video, social media, email, ad copy, texting. I don't care what it is or what method you use. Start speaking your vision for your business. Start speaking your business, and guess what's going to happen? People are gonna attach. People are gonna start listening. They're gonna be like, I like what he's saying. I like what she's saying. Oh, you know what? Yeah, I want to lock arms with that person. You're gonna start attracting the right people for your business. So on this Freedom Friday, you guys, I hope you enjoyed this two-part series. I'm so passionate when it comes about vision because, you know, I'm still cultivating mine. I still haven't fully seen my broader vision, but that's okay. You know, I'm working with what I'm working with now, and I know that I want people to be free. I know that I want people to walk away from their 9-to-5s, from corporate America, let them know there's another way to be financially free and live a lifestyle of freedom, you know, working from home, you know. So I speak that out to the universe. I speak that out to the marketplace. And I'm telling you right now, if you're in a position right now that you're looking to supplement your income, if you're looking to find another way to make residual income, whether it's to pay for your rent, buy a new car, go on vacation, or whether it's to literally, you know, walk away and retire from your 9-to-5 and work at home and be financially free, I'm going to offer you the 3-step system that I've been using that's allowed me to walk away from corporate America in December, you know, and I'm telling you, if I can do it, you can do it. You know, I worked in aviation for over 10 years. I got into this online marketing. I didn't know shit, you guys, and I apologize if somebody got offended, but I didn't know anything. I didn't know nothing about emailing, autoresponder, nothing, but I learned. You know, I grinded. I worked hard. I put in the hours, blood, sweat, and tears, and you know what? I was able to walk away. And I'm able to stand here and tell you that you can do it too. So with that being said, if you're looking for that outlet, if you're looking for that financial freedom, for that financial lifestyle, you know, click the link below or click the link above, wherever it is, and you know, watch the short video, and I'm telling you, you can unlock your freedom to finances today. So with that being said, I want to thank you on this Freedom Friday. Hopefully you got inspired, you got empowered, you got uplifted to start really digging into your vision, start cultivating it, and start speaking it out. Do not be afraid to speak your vision. Once you start speaking it, you're going to start attracting what it is what you want in your life. So with that being said, you guys have a blessed weekend, and I will see you guys on Monday. Bye.